appears Jamie has brought some treats for the judges to see.
Does this mic work? Yeah, okay, sorry guys. So good morning, my name is Vallance, and I'm currently in interior design, and I just completed my second year of the program. And this year, during the second year studies, we learned about retail design. And during retail design, we got to create a mobile trailer boutique, which I'm gonna inform you a little bit more information throughout the PowerPoint here. And retail design, this is a great opportunity for retailers to extend their product in a different way for new clientele, and if they have new products that they would like to show other viewers. It is great because it can be towed around to different fairs or different events. So it's coming to you rather than you going to the store or the event. For the mobile trailer boutique, I decided to do a store from my local town called Acton, which is called 70 Below. And 70 Below, most people don't know about it, but it sells freezer-dried foods, which the judges have a sample of. The food it's kind of like space food. So for the product, the inspiration for the product was through the company name. The company name is 70 Below. So as of right now, I'd like you all to envision yourself in a space I'm going to describe. So if you feel comfortable, I'd ask if you could close your eyes. And when you close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Take another deep breath in. This time, breathe in cold air. When you start to feel yourself in the middle of winter, when you look around, the sky's overcast with the clouds. You start to feel the chills rise above your back. The temperature is starting to go below zero. Some might even start to feel as if it is 70 below. As we all are shivering in the winter, through the winter night, we can open our eyes and we start to come back to reality. As we take a moment to open our eyes, we can start to envision how the 70 below concept relates to the cold theme throughout the trailer. Here's the floor plan. It gives an overall view throughout the space and shows the flow. Now I'm going to show a walkthrough video which allows for a more experienced and perspective view of the space. So as we walk through the space, you can start to see the flow and the displays that have been accessed easily for customers, as well as the lighting, which was inspired through icicles, the way it dangles down. And in the back wall here is the media wall, which allows for LED lights for photo instant wall. This is the ice cube display, which was inspired through ice cubes, and the ceiling detail, which is inspired through the glaciers. This is the view from behind the cash counter, and then we start to exit to the exterior deck, which is ADA accessible, which allows for a unified design. There's also a cash out counter, which gives more options and variety for the customers if they would like. And here's a rendered view, which allows for a more realistic view of the trailer, which shows the ice cube display, as well as the media unit and the 70 below at the back where the cash out counter is. The thermometer-inspired detail on the floor guides the guest to the back of the display. Here's the view from behind the cash counter, which shows a little bit of the exterior cash window, and as well as the display unit, and the photo insta wall with the LEDs in more of a realistic view. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.
My question is, how is it powered?
How is it powered? Well, it would go to like a fair such as like the CNE or I don't know, like the Strawberry Festival here. So there would be power at the site, and then it hooks up through there. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you cost out what it would take to, fabricate this unit, and what, so is this a practical design that for this business that they could actually afford within the budget that they may have?
I actually didn't cost out how much it was. The project was more of designing the structure and picking out the materials. I did not cost it. Sorry. Thank you.
Hi there. Very interesting design. I do appreciate all the detail you put into that. I just have a question based on size. What is the size of it, and is it transportable on a road?
So it is 8 feet 6 by 30 feet long. So it would hook up to a truck. Yeah.
Very cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.